Hello, everybody! It's me, Gru! But you already knew that. And I've got some tips to help you get through this challenging time. First, practice physical distancing.
I'm sorry, I did not see you there.
I've been doing it my whole life.
Or there.
Plus, there are lots of things you can do at home, like stay active with some sick dance moves, be daring, and whip up a new dish. I love the combination of gummy bears with meat. You can do video calls for all of your important meetings.
What?
Sorry. Or just have some fun. Okay, not that much fun. Now, this does not come naturally to me, but try to be kind to each other. This is a tough time for everyone. So, that's it. Stay home, stay healthy, and remember, we're all in this together.
What?
But totally separate. You know what I mean.